Extend your Florida HVAC system's life with routine maintenance. Your HVAC system is key to home comfort, but it can wear out prematurely without regular maintenance, leading to costly repairs. By implementing proactive maintenance, you can extend its lifespan, improve efficiency, and enhance air quality. Here are essential maintenance practices for Florida homeowners. Replace air filters regularly, inspect and clean ducts, optimize thermostat settings, keep vents clear, clean the outdoor unit, schedule annual professional inspections, monitor refrigerant levels, check for unusual noises or odors, and improve home insulation. Maintaining your HVAC system ensures comfort, energy savings, and efficiency all year long.